Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family, and I'm very grateful that you subscribe to my channel. If you just stopped by, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my channel came by as a recommendation from the YouTube, thank you YouTube for doing so. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Inspired DIY Challenge, which is hosted by Elena Jenkins DIY and co-hosted by DandySoap DIY. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I would recommend to visit their channels, and the links of the channels are found in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. As the challenge is called as Inspired DIY Challenge, I'm planning to do a project that I got inspired by Pinterest. So I'm going to do a Pinterest inspired project, yes. So I'm going to use two of the silver plastic forks from Dollar Tree and one of the construction paper and one of the Christmas ribbon and some of the gift boxes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result of the project. I used construction paper. I folded it into a conical shape, and I stuck one of the metallic tablecloth, which is iridescent, and I stuck some of the silver metallic forks as a Christmas tree, and I stuck one of the silver ribbon around it, just like to give a garland effect. And I stuck one of the snowflake from the LED lights, and this is the two of the chenille stem, the silver one. I made a bow, so I want to keep everything silver, so I didn't use any other color. So this is how I want to decorate this Christmas tree, and I laid few of the gifts in front. Those are silver as well. So yeah, so this is how I want to decorate this project, and I thoroughly enjoyed doing this project. I hope you also enjoyed watching along with me, working along with me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.